What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Pat Outdoors. Today we're going to be taking out my Yamaha YZ250. I'm taking it to a place I've never actually been to. It's called Wicomico Motorsports Park. It's in Maryland. It's a mixture of like motocross tracks and trails in the woods and just open general practice areas. So just want to get a little bit more comfortable with the YZ since it is my first two-stroke and it's huge. Like it feels like I'm riding a horse versus when I'm on like the KLX or obviously my little mini bikes. So it's just something a little new to me, but hopefully it's reliable. Should be a good day.
Car's locked?
Yeah.
Right, we have to go down past that red gate right there.
I'll follow you.
All right.
Bump start.
Hey, we definitely started on the hardest trail system. Let's follow this, because that goes back to the jumps, the track.
Jesus Christ. I don't know, bro. You want to go back?
Don't step in there too deep. I'm going to try and go back.
All right. I mean, I don't give a shit. I'll hold your... You out of gear?
I don't know.
Yeah.
All right, good. That was all you, Hatchie.
Sorry, Pat. I'm so tired.
Dude, I get it. I'm tired as shit too. It's hard.
I can't believe it. Like,
But dude, it's not because of the power. It's because of the height.
and the weight. It's
How much does your KLX weigh?
218
This is like 30 pounds more.
with a high capacity tank and skid plate and shit.
Well, and you're just exhausted.
That doesn't feel abnormally heavy.
It definitely is heavy. Yeah, this tank is definitely making it seem very heavy. For sure. It's a lot heavier than that. It actually runs really nice for a two-stroke.
I know. It's just
This.
I can't handle it back here.
The clutch is
You think it runs okay?
Oh, it runs great. It runs cleaner than that.
Nah.
I swear.
was fun. That was a good flow session.
Yeah. That's really good to teach you how to trust your bike.
Yeah.
Because like it's hard to like and be able to like maneuver fast through corners.
Right.
Like I don't trust it enough to really lean and like get on the outside of my seat and put weight on the back tire and trust the bike to stay up.
Now we're coming out of the corner, kind of sliding.
Yeah.
We needed that.
But yeah, you do like, you really gotta, and it's good for working on your basic fundamentals.
Right.
Like, you know, your seating position, how you shift your weight, and keep on the back tire and stuff. That was fun.
Do you want to check out that little trail where the KLX went?
Yeah, let's check that out.
All right. Oh. Well, there it is, wiped out.
You okay?
That's where my wheel was.
Oh shit, you coming too hot?
Maybe, my bike was upside down.
Are you okay?
Yeah. This thing got absolutely filthy. Alright guys, that was a freaking blast. Even though we had kind of a bad crash towards the end, I still had fun opening up the YZ some and feeling all that power. It is pretty quick, but I haven't changed my mind. It is still too much bike for me. Whenever I would drop it, it's quite a bit of work for me to get it back up and rolling again. Not having a electric start is kind of an inconvenience, and it's just too tall, too big, too heavy. It is fast, but at the end of the day, I think the KLX 140RF is still my ideal weapon of choice, so I'm glad I got this. I'm gonna focus more on riding this and modifying this to be a little bit more suited for what I like to do. So we're gonna give it a little bit more power, throw a skid plate on there, and a couple more modifications. I might end up putting up the YZ250 for sale. If you enjoyed today's video, do me a favor and hit that like button. And if you like this kind of content, want to keep up with some of my projects or some of my rides, consider subscribing to this channel. But this is going to be it for today. Thank you for watching.